Today, we received a damaged DJI Mavic 3T gimbal camera. Let's take it apart and see if it's still worth repairing. First, we remove all the screws from the outside. Then, carefully remove the rear cover of the camera. Next, we remove all the screws inside the camera. Now, we take the lens module out of the front camera frame. Then, remove these for retaining screws. Once removed, this is the complete lens module. As you can see, there is clear water damage inside the lens module, and the water indicator has already turned red, confirming that water has entered the camera. Next, we continue by removing the screws securing the main board. Once it's open, we carefully check for water intrusion and corrosion. We also need to check whether the sensor has been damaged. And unfortunately, the sensor is clearly cracked. The lens module has water damage, the water indicator has turned red, and the sensor is cracked. What do you think? Is this gimbal camera still worth repairing? If this were yours, would you repair it or replace it? Let us know in the comments.